Algebra 1, Unit 6, Lesson 2. Problem number 1. Let's begin by factoring out the common binomial, which turns the expression into a product of two binomials. First, we factor out 4x minus 10. The remaining terms form the second binomial, 9x plus 2. The expression becomes 4x minus 10 times 9x plus 2. Here's a fun math riddle for ya. I am an odd number. Remove one letter from my name and I become even. What number am I? Stick around till the end of this video for the answer. Problem number 2. To find the greatest common factor of 36 and 45, we first need to list all the numbers that can divide each number evenly. For 36, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. For 45, the factors are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Next, we look for the numbers that appear in both lists. These are 1, 3, and 9. Out of these, the largest number is 9. So, the greatest common factor of 36 and 45 is 9. Problem number 3. To find the greatest common factor of 8, 24, and 36, start by listing the factors for each number. For 8, the factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. For 24, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. For 36, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, look for the numbers that are common to all three lists. They are 1, 2, and 4. The largest common factor is 4. So, the greatest common factor of these three numbers is 4. Okay, here's the riddle again and the answer. Are you ready? I am an odd number. Remove one letter from my name and I become even. What number am I? The answer is 7. When you remove the S from 7, you get even. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.